Alright, so this is a top for one of the custom builds that I've got going right now. This is a fiddleback Port Orford cedar top, and on this top I decided to try something new. This is my version of the new Taylor V-Class bracing that they're touting as the new way to brace guitars, and so I thought I'd give it a try and see how it compares to the typical X bracing that most of us have been using for the last however many years. And so it gives me an opportunity to show you a few of the tools that I use in brace carving, and so we're going to do that because I wasn't hearing quite the tap tone that I want to hear out of a top, so I'm going to have to do a little more work on these braces. One of my favorite tools is this little cheap little Stanley plane that I bought at the local lumber yard, but I modified it a little bit. I put a couple of rosewood blocks in there to just give it a little more mass and a better feel. And I bought a different iron for it, blade for it, that is a little bit better than the blade that comes on these things. And so I'm just going to do a little bit of brace carving here and show you how we do that. I'm going to take a little mass off the sides of these braces here. And I use a little piece of just black fiber material here to just protect the top and these other transverse braces here. This little plane does a good job of getting into tight spaces like this, so I'm going to remove what I can from the outside here. Kind of crowning these in a little bit of a soft arc. All right, I'm gonna check it out here and see if that's enough to have done us any good. Oh yeah. I'm getting a little bit clearer ring there. I like that. I think we've still got some room to go though. I'll put it back in here and do it a little more. I've also got a little more height on the ends of these braces, especially these the two V braces and these finger braces. So for that I'm going to use the little violin maker's finger plane and come in here. I'm going to thin that down to where it's almost flush with the top. I'm just going to leave a little bit there. Port Orford cedar. I love the smell of this stuff. All right, check this again, see how we're doing. I don't know if you can hear that difference, but we're getting just a little bit brighter, it just rings a little better. I think we're just about there. I'm going to do some cleaning up here with sandpaper on a little block, and then I think this will be ready to go. Thanks for watching.